Dreams, D&J King Knox in the house. South Central Kings where the hustle announced. Remote control flex, streets in my palm. Switches hit the curb, every motion a song. Candy paint reflections, Cali sun like a bomb. RC whips hitting harder than the Vietnam com.
RC's your price, where the legends collide.
Lowriders hitting corners with the gangster pride.
Flip the switch, let it hop, let it glide.
RC's your price, where the West don't hide.
RC's your price, where the West don't hide.
Lowriders hitting corners with the gangster pride.
Flip the switch, let it hop, let it glide.
RC's your price, where the West don't hide. Golden spokes spin, they dance on the rim. Battery packs charged like we play in the wind. Hit the strip, remote in my grip, it begins. Every bounce, every turn feels deep.
Oh, low, drop slow.
Redcat.
Take over. Rolling through the city with that RC glove.
Pull up to the block, controllers in the air. Hit the switch one time, everybody stop and stare. Chrome bumpers, candy paint, RC's lifting off the ground. Kids laughing, OGs clapping, whole hood gather round. D had a vision, turned a dream into a store. RC's your price. Now the city want more, not just business. Community first, keep the youth on track so they don't end up hurt. From South Central to the world, joy in the streets. Every car hopping clean, bass knocking to the beat. This ain't toys, it's culture, family and creation. We build love, not gangs, that's the foundation.
Hit the switch, let it glide. Redcat, lowrider, take over, slide. We ride, we shine, we lift the tone. Turn the hood into a victory zone. Hit the switch, let it glide. Redcat, lowrider, take over, slide. RC pride, RC pride.
Sunday meetups, everybody outside. You can't stop the glow when the whole city ride. Kids learning skills, staying out at the beat. Teamwork, can I gain confidence off the leash? Mom smiling, dad's filming, this a memory lock. Not a video game, this real life on the block. And every donation helps keep the light bright, so the next kid finds hope on a Friday night. RC paint gleaming, hopping like hydraulics. Creativity, loyalty, automatic, supersonic. So turn up the speakers, let the whole world see how a hobby turned the hood into family.
Hit the switch, let it glide. Redcat, lowrider, take over, slide. We ride, we shine, we lift the tone. Turn the hood into a victory zone. Hit the switch, yeah, we ride. Redcat, lowrider, take over, slide. RC pride, RC pride. Yeah, right, lowrider, RC pride.
Redcat,
Take over.
RC's your price forever. West Coast, South Central. Yeah, we building dreams from the block up. RC's your price. Real ones give back. You know what it is. Yeah. I'm cruising down Central, sunlight gleam. Lowrider vibes, young kids with dreams. They outside learning, no screens in sight. Just chrome wheels spinning in that golden light. We fixing RCs, but we fixing lives. Teaching pride, focus high to rise. No gang signs, just control the grips. Flipping hard times into scholarships. We racing hope, we chasing peace. Got that G-funk groove from the West Coast streets. Battle cat drums, quick on the vibe. You feel that soul when the bass line slide.
RC's your price, where do you survive? We lift them up, let the city thrive. From South Central streets to the sky that's blue. We building dreams, that's what real ones live. RC's your price, where do you survive? We lift them up, let the city thrive. From South Central streets to the sky that's blue. We building dreams, that's what real ones do.
Now every dime counts, every move means something. We teaching young minds how to stand for something. Ain't no fear when they race that lane. They got purpose now, they don't chase the pain. No more drifting in them wrong directions. Now it's gears, motors, and self-reflection. Each child a champ when they fix their car. Each spark a light that could reach that star. From the hood to the hills, we changing the scene. RC cars painting hope so clean. Respect and unity, that's how we roll. It's community first, that's the goal.
When the beat hits, the whole block rise. Hands to the sky, hope in their eyes. We ain't just racing, we build G-Funk soul never gone see. RC's your price, where do you survive? We lift them up, let the city thrive. From South Central streets to the sky that's blue. We building dreams, that's what real ones do. RC's your price, where do you survive? We lift them up, let the city thrive. From South Central streets to the sky that's blue. We building dreams, that's what real ones do.
We ain't just selling cars, we selling hope. We teaching lessons, building futures, and racing towards something greater. RC's your price. Real ones give.
Yeah. Cruising the block, little switches in my hand. RC Lowrider, hopping on command. Chrome so shiny, candy paint glisten. A 6'4" Impala, but it's micro edition. Hit RC's your price. That's the holy grail from Dayton wheels to kits. They never fail, we hitting backflips. Hydraulics in the street. Toy cars dancing like they got happy feet. RC's your price, where the fun don't stop. Lowriders hitting switches, make them hop, pop, pop. RC's your price, got the illest supplies. Ride smooth, stay fly under Cali skies. Yeah. Parking lot wars, who's the king of the scene? Tiny G rides, but the swagger pristine. Batteries charged, got the motors on fire. My RC Lowrider bounce higher and higher. Tires hit the curb, sparks like the 4th. Miniature legend, straight cruising up north. It's a West Coast party, yeah, the vibe is tight. Lowriders in the moonlight, shining so bright. RC's your price, where the fun don't stop. Lowriders hitting switches, make them hop, hop, hop. RC's your price, got the illest supplies. Ride smooth, stay fly under Cali skies.
Upside down. I gotta do that. But see, that's what I got you guys for. See, now I have to ride around blind. I need this, man. That's what I need you guys for.
But all these flicky nipsies screaming out these speakers. Empty on my speaker, if the surgeon or you tweaking. Free my Lord, but for deeper if he's snitching. You know the beat slipping, if you ain't lazy, nigga, shut up. I just got my dick on and I'm off, she ain't stuck on. Why they do the most on Instagram but never run up? Probably cause I'm around with that geeky, I got one of them. Membership, ask about the mind, see niggas business shit.
ES to the PA, cause we just to the re-end the zone. Honey, I'm home, but I'm not mad, we've had a lot of problems around, we get frustrated. And now I'm sitting at the end of the month, I just made it like you made the BT. Like your daddy's wife, you made it hard. You heard the AG alley, and so back the hell up off. Softly, as if I played piano in the dark. Found a way to channel my anger, not to involve. The word to say that everybody got to play their part. God works in mysterious ways, and we start the dog speakers and finding the substance here with this here. Drugs and alcohol, so I can get this in
Yo. Alright, let me get this going. Judging is over. Took a while. A lot of cars. Alright, so here we go. We're gonna go with the kids dance, then we're gonna go with that kid hop.
Since everybody's over here, I at least want to say something. Before we all go, if we can at least take all of our RCs and at least stack them in front of the town to take a big picture of like all the cars in the town. That's cool.
Let me get my spot now.
You fighting for a spot already, huh?
I think it'd be sick to have all the cars in.
This is my spot right here, right?
I got my handicap sticker in my pocket.
Hey, my police folk got the handicap plate.
I don't think I have a handicap parking spot.
Yes, sir. You like, excuse me. It's a handicap.
Yeah.
No, this is my knee. Where you at? You can't do what I do. That ain't 12, homie. I got that ain't 12. You want me to do something else? I got something for you. You know I don't come out with the big shit. I got something for you.
You hold it back for they bring it up.
I can't. You got nails, so I'm not even playing with you. Bro,
I'm gonna take my nails out and still
take your nails out. That shit is
out real quick.
Take them motherfuckers out.
What you gonna say after I take them out?
Take your weight out too.
That motherfucker light as the feather right here though.
Get out of here. Get out of here. Light as a feather, ain't no weight in that. Snack up over here.
Oh, I see that Cadillac got a brick in it. Oh, we got more than a brick in this motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie. Cadillac got a lot of this motherfucker.
Hey, Mark.
But it's hidden.
You can't do that shit without in real life, you know what I'm saying? You gotta.
In real life, you do need it though.
Hey, we got the real video, so you don't show no weight.
Hey, I'm gonna bring the scale. Vegas, I'm taking
Video,
the
you was
scale.
no weight. Now you got stacks of weight.
Hey, Vegas, I'm taking that scale.
Get out of the way. Get out of here. Don't give a fuck. I kick your shit. Don't fucking slam that shit on my shit. I kick that motherfucker. I kick that shit.
Hit some real 12s.
I kick that shit.
Hit some real 12.
Bro, take the fucking nails out your shit.
Don't worry about the
Zoom in on these motherfuckers. What low rider you see got screws coming out the back? Get the fuck out of here.
Hold on. Hey, no. Wait. In the rule book, there is no 12 o'clock, so who's standing taller?
Well,
there you go.
Don't get up that high though, you know what I'm saying?
But still, this is where the measurement is.
Yeah, exactly. Get that shit. Can you hit it or not?
Move that shit out the way. Seth, bring your shit out. Bring your shit. I got something for you too.
I already handed you your own. I already handed you your own.
You lost.
I already handed you your own.
You lost.
Yeah?
You lost.
That's not what everybody else is saying.
Y'all lost.
Your head. Where's the 12 at? Ship it.
I don't give a fuck. You ready? Hold on. Let me switch with you real quick.
Here we go.
I'll be right back. Take some of that weight out.
Bring out the reinforcements.
Take the nails off. And I know what you got too, Seth. I know what you got too.
Shits and giggles, bro.
Other than you can't get stuck.
Yeah. That is your unlimited class.
Woo! Nigga, and bring the scale. We can weight this motherfucker out. Shit, yeah, motherfucker.
Hey, don't put mine on there.
I just say, shit, we can weight this motherfucker. Shit.
There you go.
Don't bring no scale.
Vegas,
In about 1,000 pounds.
Keep going.
What's up? What? You cannot beat a 59. You cannot beat a 59.
Got your wife right there, homie, holding it back. What's up?
I got work.
You got the week holding it back.
It comes with the car, right? All right, bust out a 59.
This one's higher, fool.
That one is a little higher.
I done seen the point.
On that ass. No, I don't need to do no more. No, you lost. Me too. Again.
I'm busting your ass with a broken ball
Again,
joint,
you
homie.
lost again.
With a broken ball joint.
With training wheels. How you move with training wheels?
You could have hit it. Put your shit away. Put your shit away.
You lost again.
Exactly. That's what you keep saying.
Oh, that's a battery, sure.
Working.
Dreams. D&J King knocks in the house. South Central Kings where the hustle announced. Remote control flex. Streets in my palm. Switches hit the curb. Every motion a song. Candy paint reflections. Cali sun like a bomb. RC whips hitting harder than the Vietnam com.
RC's your price, where the legends collide.
Lowriders hitting corners with the gangster pride.
Flip the switch, let it hop, let it glide.
RC's your price where the West don't hide.
RC's your price, where the West don't hide.
Lowriders hitting corners with the gangster pride.
Flip the switch, let it hop, let it glide.
RC's your price where the West don't hide. Golden spokes spin, they dance on the rim. Battery packs charged like we play in the wind. Hit the strip, remote in my grip, it begins. Every bounce, every turn feels